Hello, in front of me I've got Android smartphone. In this video I'll show you how to enter guest mode. If you want to enter guest mode on your smartphone, go to Settings and next enter System. Enter Users and go to Add Guest. Now switch to Guest. And it's done. If you want to exit guest mode, scroll down and select Exit Guest Mode. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.